Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an e-commerce platform with WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build an e-commerce platform with WooCommerce, start by selecting a hosting provider. Choose a WordPress compatible host that offers good performance and support. Sign up for a hosting plan that fits your business needs. Next, install WordPress on your hosting account. Most hosting providers offer one-click installations for WordPress. After installation, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance tab on the left sidebar. Select Themes and then click on Add New to search for a theme. Choose a WooCommerce compatible theme that suits your brand. Install and activate your selected theme. Now, move to the Plugins section in the dashboard. Click on Add New and search for WooCommerce. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce will guide you through the initial setup with a configuration wizard. Follow the prompts to set up your store details, including currency and payment methods. Once set up, go to Products in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to start adding products to your store. Fill in the product title, description, and images. Set the price and inventory status for each product. You can also categorize your products for better organization. Next, configure shipping options in the WooCommerce settings. Decide on shipping methods and regions you will service. Now, navigate to the Payments section within WooCommerce settings. Choose the payment gateways you'd like to accept, such as PayPal or Stripe. Activate your selected payment methods by following the setup instructions. Next, customize your store's appearance and functionality. Go to Appearance and select Customize to adjust colors, fonts, and layout. You can also add essential pages like the About Us, Contact Us, and Refund policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.